Good morning. I am Rajime Tanyo Arellano. I used to work sa ABS-CBN before as a senior broadcaster or senior reporter. I resigned after working for almost 17 years. I officially left ABS-CBN March 7 of this year, 2014. Okay, what's the reason why I left ABS-CBN? Because of this. Actually, Bridges is just a team of My Video Talk. There are actually 4 teams in the world, others like in Qatar, Sparks, in Dubai, Eagles, in Saudi, Warriors. But here in the Philippines, Bridges is, 95 to 98% of the teams dito sa Philippines, part nun is, not part actually, but 95 to 98% are, Bridges. Others also have, other teams also in the Philippines, pero majority, of course, dito sa Pilipinas is Bridges. And the number 1 team in the world is Bridges. But we still belong to just one company, and that's Team Effort International. It's founded in 2002, and it is based in Northern California, where the Silicon Valley, or the Internet hub of the world is. And we are currently doing businesses in some other parts of the world. And our owners are Mr. Sarwan Gill. He partnered with his son, Mel Gill, who is, of course, married to Amy Gill. Unlike from other companies doing businesses such as this, sa amin, nakita namin, we are very fortunate that we have seen and we have, met these 3 owners. Like Mr. Sarwan Gill, I met him personally when he went here sa Dumaguete, Negros Oriental, last July 30, 2013. And the couple, Mel and Amy Gill, I met them personally and have, pictures with them last April 26, 2014. And actually, our products or our businesses revolves in the 6 fastest growing trends right now. What is that? Okay, internet, online video, web conferencing, live video, global network marketing, and live web TV. Because even Bill Gates said, di ba uso na sa ngayon, naka-Android phone, that even as young as 2 years old na anak natin, marunong nang gumamit ng tab, ng Android phones, right? Kasi high-tech na tayo ngayon, nasa computer age kumbaga. Okay, we are now in the era of information technology. Kaya nga sabi ni Bill Gates na if your business is not on the internet, you are out of business. Actually, we have 3 products. Nakabundle to, package. Our 3 products are My Video Designer, My Video Broadcaster, and My Video Channel. I just would like to give you an overview of the 3 products. Ano itong Video Designer? Actually, the Video Designer, we also call it as Video Email. What is that? Diba usually we write emails, right? Nagtatype. Sa atin, yung email natin, naka-video na. Ibig sabihin, nakikita ka ng mga pinapadalhan mo ng emails. Like for example, the man you saw, the template that you saw, that you are now seeing on top, that's Pastor Joel. Pastor Joel is the typical example of, biblical way of sending emails. What is that? Seek and you shall find. Where's letter A? Where's letter B? Where's letter C? When he was introduced to My Video Talk, what he did with his video email or Christmas message, he used a video email, and siya lang yung My Video Talk na account. The rest, pinadalhan niya ng video message or video email, okay, through, yung Christmas message niya using the video email, wala. Siya lang meron. Senator Richard Gordon also used video email when he promoted his political ads. Others who have businesses, they also use video email in promoting their businesses. Others, merong events. Okay? And meron kaming kasamahan, si Dr. Jasper Valdez. When he married, hindi na nagpa-print ng invitation cards. What he did was, ni-record niya yung prenuptial video nila ni Doc Jen, and then yun na. Yun yung ginamit niya, yung video email ang ginamit niya as invitation for their wedding. Our next product is My Video Broadcaster. Ano to? In layman's understanding, I would like to describe it as mini TV station. Why? You can broadcast your events or any events that you want, and as much as 200 katao pwedeng manood nun through live broadcast or live stream. Ikaw lang merong may video talk na account, yung 200 wala. At ang mas maganda pa nito, pwede kang kumuha ng 20 katao from that 200 na pwede mong makachat, okay? Through video conferencing. You can talk to as much as 20 katao, ikaw ang ika-21st. Wala silang My Video Talk na account, ikaw lang meron. Others na into English tutorials sa mga Koreans, benefit in this product. Why? Meron kaming kasamahan, no? He's into English tutorial. He has this shop, not shop, office pala, okay? Or close, school. What he did was, nung in-introduce sa kanya yung My Video Talk, ginamit niya yung video conferencing sa My Video Broadcaster in teaching 10 Koreans. Ang mas maganda nun, yung mga Koreans, nag-link sa China, nag-link sa Korea, so dumami yung estudyante. And meron din itong desktop and sharing functions. Kung ano yung makikita mo sa desktop mo or laptop mo, yun din ang makikita ng mga kachat mo. At meron din siyang survey functions. Meron din siyang whiteboard functions. What is that? If you're into design, pwede mong ma-allow ang kliyente mo to correct the design that you will be playing or that you are playing sa laptop mo or desktop mo. Okay? Our next product is My Video Channel. That will become as your website. Magkano sa ngayon yung magpagawa ng website? Minimum of 15,000. Pero static. Ours is video website. As much as 6 hours na video ang pwede mong i-store. Okay? Magpagawa ngayon ng video website, minimum of 40,000. Pero, sa My Video Talk, included sa 3 produkto, magka-video website ka. So imagine, how much do you think is the price of the 3 products na merong video website which is pegged at 40,000 pesos? The product is priced at 13,000 pesos. And that's lifetime, one-time payment. Meron pang accident insurance, support system, and freedom card. Yung support system, like for example, if you have, friends na pwede mong dalhin sa offices namin sa Cebu, Davao, Cagayan de Oro, Jensan, Iloilo, Bacolod, okay? The rest of our members can present to them also. Freedom card is you will have discounts and privileges. You will be given a card where you will have discounts and privileges to some of the selected establishments. Hindi expensive, ano? Why is it not expensive? Because we use direct selling model for product distribution. Ano to? I-compare mo sa traditional mode na meron ka pang dadaan ng mga distributor, regional distributor, and sometimes if the product hindi kikita, okay, it won't sell, they would hire advertising agencies to promote it, they would also pay artista to advertise their products. Ours is, if you avail of the product through 13,000 pesos, directly the company will give you an access, a username and a password na maging access mo sa www.myvideotalk.com, and then you can already explore the product. And what's nice with your 13,000 pesos is pwede mo maging investment. Or pwede mong, di ba, if you have investment, you need to have an ROI or return of investment. So pwede mong mabawi yung 13,000 pesos that you used to avail of the product. But of course, without losing the product, kasi lifetime yun di ba? What will you do is, just bring in friends. Invite friends. Kami ang magpe-present sa friend mo. And, for you to start a business, bring in 2. If that 2 friends of yours would be amazed of the product and they would also be willing to do the business, and if they join, the company will give you $15 each, or that's $1,320. Same thing will happen. We will also teach your 2, okay, we will also teach your 2 friends to bring in 2. And then kami rin ang magpapresent, kami ang mag-e-explain. And if they also would be amazed of the product, and they would also be willing to do the business, the company will give you for that 4, $10 each, or that's 1,760 pesos. And what's nice is, if you reach this level, executive level, the company is so generous. They will give you an executive bonus of 5,500. Okay? And same thing. We will do, same thing will happen to that 4. We will also teach that 4 to bring in 2. Okay? Pero, pagdating sa level na to, yung bilangan is ratio na. It's either you have 3 on the left and 6 on the right, or 6 on the left and 3 on the right. We call that actually cycle check. That's 3, 6, 6, 3, or that's 9. Where the company will give you $150 for that cycle check, or 6,600. So, kung titingnan mo, 3, 6, 6, 3, that's 9. 150 divided by 9, that's $16.67. So, parang binabayaran ka ng $16.67 for each person. So, anong mangyayari dun sa 4? Okay? Of course, di ba, sabi natin, they will just bring in 2. So, madagdagan ng 2, and then, anong mangyayari dun sa isa? Di ba, madagdagan din ng 2. So, another 6, another 3, so another $150, so another 6,600. Okay. And, meron tayong, okay, like for example, gaano ka kaya kabilis makadala ng 2 sa negosyong ito? Okay. What if it will take you 30 days or 1 month to bring in 2? And that 2 also took them another 30 days to bring in 2. That makes it 4. So that 4 also took them another 30 days to bring in 2. So imagine, after a year, kung every month merong 2 na nag-join under you, there is a possibility na in a year, your people would be 8,190. Let's convert that into income, times 16.67. Remember, yung 3:6 or 6:3, where you will be paid $150 or 16.67 each. So in a year, your possible income, granting there will only be 2 every 30 days that will join under you. Your possible people would be 8,190, right? So that's $136,000. Or, for your appreciation in peso, that's 5.8 million pesos. That's a power of duplication by Albert Einstein. Okay? And, meron pang perks and bonuses. Kung, let's say, 51 to 102 yung tao mo, in just 1 week, you will be called or you will be recognized in our website and worldwide yan as Elite Presidential Club 1-star. And your income in just 1 week is 110,000 pesos. Ang dami ng achievers, okay, na-achieve ito. But I will only mention a few. Engineer Chris Mijares, he is an engineer working sa National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, and he's just doing this part-time. Dr. Jasper Valdez, a veterinarian from San Miguel Foods, nag-resign, and he was able to buy his Ford Ranger 2014. Neil Cajes, with a doctorate degree, okay, nag-resign, okay, as teacher. Nag-resign from Taliban Bohola, and now he is leading Cebu. Meron pang isa, Alan Navarrete. He's working sa Parlor. And of course, recently, yours truly, Raja Maytanio Arellano, together of course with my husband, Jose Henry Arellano, who was working, with the National Bureau of Investigation. Okay? He also resigned last May 30. Okay? And dodoble yan. Aabot yung tao mo 102 to 204, you will be called as Elite Presidential Club 2-star. And your earnings in just 1 week is 220,000 pesos. And ang mga achievers ito, Ma'am Richdale Dihito, a Cebuana from Dumaguete. And she was the lady who brought this to Bacolod in just 8 months. She was able to buy her brand new 1.8 million peso Chevrolet Trailblazer. And she brought my video talk to Iloilo, and 4 months ago, nakabili ng condo unit worth 2.2 million pesos. And Dr. Roy Livelo, our Senior Global Director, he used to work sa San Miguel Foods, also as a veterinarian. After 1 month of doing my video talk, he resigned. And sinabi ng mga taga San Miguel, sira ulo to Give up kasi yung San Miguel Foods. But after 3 months, okay lang daw maging sira ulo kasi he was able to buy his Chevrolet Trailblazer. And now, he is leading Davao. And our Associate Brand Global Director, Ma'am Mona Nanale. She used to be an accountant with 150,000 pesos na sweldo doon sa Dubai. She gave it up. Of course, dito, 1 week lang, 220,000 pesos. And dodoble pa yan. 204 to 408, you will be called as Elite Presidential Club 5-star. And your earnings in just 1 week is 440,000 pesos. Harold Canyaveral, our Grand Global Director, the man who brought this from Dubai to the Philippines, got that. And I will tell you his story later. And of course, dodoble pa yan. You will be called as Elite Presidential Club 10-star, and your earnings in just 1 week is 1.1 million pesos. And there are bonuses. Kung ma-achieve mo in 3 consecutive weeks ang 220,000 pesos na earnings, okay, you will be given a trip to California for 2. Mona Nanale got that with a 10-year multiple entry visa. And in 3 consecutive weeks na 440,000 pesos ang earnings mo, you will be given a trip to Australia for 2 in a romantic cruise ship. Harold Canyaveral got that. And in 2 consecutive weeks na 1.1 million pesos ang earnings mo, the company will not give you anymore a trip, but a matching bonus of 1.1 million pesos. But we only have maximum earnings. This is the reason why the company is still in existence for 12 years and will grow more. Why? The company will not give you as much as 220,000 pesos na commission. That's per day or 1.5 million a week or 80.5 million a year. And by the way, meron tayong deduction dyan to every commission na 10% for the gross product usage from the US mismo. That validates, of course, na legal yung negosyo natin. And of course, dahil business to, meron siyang risk. Right? What is the risk? Granting ikaw to nag-join. And then, you invited a friend. Let's call him or her friend B. So whatever earnings ni friend B, magbe-benefit ka. But you need to have 2 friends for you, left and right kasi, di ba? So you invited another friend. So nag-join si friend C. So whatever earnings ni friend C, of course, magbe-benefit ka. What is the risk? Naunahan ka ni friend B. So nabaliktad na. Okay, and that's lifetime, by the way. And even if you invited friend C, you can never get any commission from him or from her because wala tayong cross lines. Ang risk is the cost of delay. Okay? So ibig sabihin, pauna-una to, di ba? Kung sino yung naunang mag-join. Okay? But there are two ways actually to join. It's either you join through one account, that's 13,000 pesos, or mas wise na investment kung may iniisip ka ngayong negosyo. Like for example, mag-open ka ng sari-sari store for 50,000 pesos. Kasya kaya? Mapuno kaya yung sari-sari store? Okay. So this is actually the wise investment. Join or invest in 3 accounts. That's the smartest account. Or for only 39,000 pesos. Others use credit card to invest. Okay? And what is the benefit or advantage ng 3 accounts or smartest account? Because if you join in just one account, of course, times 1 mo lang yung earnings mo. But if you join in 3 accounts, of course, times 3 mo. Ikaw rin naman ang nagbayad dun, di ba? Okay. So, actually, how are we being paid? We are being paid through Team Effort Pay Portal. That's a Paylution. We have a Paylution account, okay, where you will be prompted to open through www.paylution.com. Okay? Ma-monitor mo online ang commission mo in dollars. And how will you withdraw your commission in pesos? Just register any of your local banks. Okay? And if you want to withdraw it, okay, i-fund transfer mo lang, pag-withdraw mo peso na. Okay? And we are also legal because we have SEC registration. And here are our achievers. Of course, the rest, you knew them already. Beside Engineer Chris Mijares is an IT professional dati sa Dubai, Ma'am Leia Aranas. She gave it up. And now she's opening war-torn areas in Mindanao. Beside Ma'am Leia Aranas is Cynthia Abad Caballero. She used to be an accounting clerk sa Negros Oriental Electric Cooperative, 25,000 pesos yung sweldo. And then, yung asawa niya, is working sa China. 150,000 pesos yung sweldo. Pinapadalang allotment is 50,000 pesos. Pero kulang pa rin. And at one point, sinabi ng asawa niya, pauuwiin kami. Remember yung Spratlys issue? Okay. That was the time when Cynthia Abad Caballero reflected na hindi pala lifetime yung assurance na kahit meron kang abroad, okay? Lifetime din yung source ng income mo. Okay? She joined using yung pambabayad sana nila sa Toyota Vios. Pero okay lang, it was replaced by Toyota Fortuner. And now, she's leading Bohol. Besides Cynthia Abad Caballero is Marites Tanoy. She used to be a public school teacher sa Bais Negros Oriental. Walang kaalam-alam about internet. But she was struck by the 5.8 million pesos. Pero, nagkaproblema dahil walang kukunan ng pang-join. Dahil 86 pesos na lang yung net pay, yung tira sa sweldo, at blacklisted pa sa mga inutangan. Pero after 24 hours, nakahanap paano inutangan yung mga relatives, 1,500, 2,000, until she was able to come up with a capital. And after 6 months, she resigned from DepEd, and now she's leading Cagayan de Oro. Beside her, of course, is also the fastest public school teacher, na one-star achiever, Ma'am Lina Palma. And the mother and daughter, Sarah and Sherry Gonzalez, mga mayayaman na to sa Gensan. Si Ma'am Sherry, yung asawa niya is a diplomat sa Dubai. They joined because sabi nila marami pa raw silang matulungan through my video talk sa Gensan. And, of course, the rest, we know them already. Yung ating Grand Global Director, Mr. Harold Cañaveral, ang kwento ng buhay nito ganito. When he resigned from SWIFT, of course, yung retirement, no? Nagnegosyo from his retirement. Ang daming negosyo, left and right, eh hindi marunong mag-manage. Nagkautang-utang, na-bankrupt, 5 million pesos yung utang. And then he left Dumaguete. He went to Dubai in the hope, of course, na mabayaran yung utang niya. And of course, a means of escape. Ngayon, nabiktima ng recession dun sa Dubai. Okay? Nag-one day, one eat. Okay? And because of that, na-max out yung credit card niya para lang may ipadala sa pamilya dito sa Pilipinas. 3 million ang utang sa credit card. Everyday tinatawagan ng pulis. Paano nag-join sa My Video Talk? Sinangla yung passport. Imagine, wala kang passport sa foreign land. He opened Thailand, and in just 6 months, almost 9 million na utang na bayaran through My Video Talk. And then, he brought My Video Talk sa Dumaguete, sa hometown nila. In 2011, in just 10 months, 11 katao nagka-brand new car, including si Villa Degit, na 6,000 pesos lang ang sweldo, rice checker. 7.5 months of doing My Video Talk, nakabili ng Hyundai Eon, brand new. That's it. So how do you find the presentation?